Cabinet takes decisions that open new opportunities, strengthen key sectors, and speed up reforms. This February, key decisions were announced to accelerate growth across India's startup ecosystem, urban infrastructure, connectivity, and agriculture. Let's take a look. In a major boost to India's growing startup ecosystem, the Union Cabinet has approved the establishment of Startup India Fund of Funds 2.0 with a total corpus of 10,000 crore rupees. The scheme is designed to accelerate the next phase of India's startup journey by mobilizing long-term domestic capital, strengthening the venture capital ecosystem, and supporting innovation-led entrepreneurship across the country. Building on the success of Fund of Funds for Startups 1.0, the new scheme will have a targeted, segmented funding approach to support deep tech, tech-driven innovative manufacturing startups, and early growth stage startups. In a transformative push for India's urban future, the Union Cabinet has approved the launch of the Urban Challenge Fund with a total central assistance of 1 lakh crore rupees. The fund will catalyze nearly 4 lakh crore rupees of investment in the urban sector over the next 5 years, with central assistance covering 25% of project costs, contingent on mobilizing at least 50% funding from the market. This marks a paradigm shift from grant-based financing to a market-linked, reform-driven, and outcome-oriented model of infrastructure creation. In a first, the Union Cabinet has approved a 15.79-kilometer-long twin-tube road cum rail tunnel under the Brahmaputra River in Assam, along with the larger 4-lane access-controlled greenfield connectivity project from Gopur on NH15 to Numaligarh on NH715. The entire corridor will be developed at a total capital cost of 18,662 crore rupees. The project will provide significant benefit to Assam, Arunachal Pradesh, Nagaland, and other northeastern states, enhancing the efficiency of freight movement, reducing logistics cost, and driving socio-economic growth in the region. The project will also generate approximately 80 lakh persons of direct and indirect employment. Setting the stage for next-generation airport infrastructure in Jammu and Kashmir, the Union Cabinet has approved the development of the civil enclave at Srinagar International Airport at an estimated cost of 1,677 crore rupees. Spread across 73.18 acres, the new civil enclave will feature a state-of-the-art terminal building spanning 71,500 square meters, designed to handle 2,900 passengers during peak hours and an annual capacity of 10 million passengers. The expanded apron will accommodate 15 aircraft parking bays. Multi-level car parking facility and barracks for security personnel are also included in the scope of the project. The Union Cabinet has also approved minimum support price of raw jute for marketing season 2026-27. The MSP of raw jute, TD3 grade, has been fixed at 5,925 rupees per quintal, ensuring a return of 61.8% over the All India weighted average cost of production. The MSP of raw jute for marketing season 2026-27 is an increase of 275 rupees per quintal over the previous marketing season 2025-26. Since 2014-15, the government has increased the MSP of raw jute by about 2.5 times. These decisions further strengthen India's journey towards an Atmanirbhar Bharat.